I like sculpting in general and making 3D works. I was working in a very ambitious project of making a big installation sculpture, like 40 meters long. The company making this installation really needed a versatile, big space, and that's how I got to know Bloqs in the first place. We had access to almost all the warehouse. And for the first time, I discovered in London a place in which you have this space and access to the machinery and people explaining how to use them and being very available whenever there is a problem. I work as a sculptor and prop maker. I don't plan much. I freestyle a lot, bending often by hand. I almost bend, weld shapes as if I was modeling clay. Working at Bloqs, I sometimes like to experiment how far I can go with making nice shapes just using scrap metal. The most important things at Bloqs is we're a really friendly crew. The staff available to help whenever there is an issue with your work. There are often regular faces, so it creates a bit of a sense of community.